South Africa continues to attract foreign property buyers. Lifestyle, exchange rate advantage, natural beauty, investment opportunity. But many foreign buyers struggle to understand the legal and tax framework involved in buying and especially selling property in South Africa. Let's clarify the essentials today, shall we? First question, can foreigners actually buy property in South Africa? The answer is yes. There are currently no blanket restrictions preventing foreign nationals from owning property in South Africa. However, funding rules may differ if you require financing. Non-residents often need to provide a higher deposit, at least 50% in most cases, if financing through a South African bank becomes necessary. Now, let's talk about selling property as a foreign owner. This is where confusion often begins. When a non-resident sells property in South Africa, there is a thing called withholding tax, and it's applied under Section 35A of the Income Tax Act of South Africa. This is not an additional tax, as some would make you believe. It is an advance payment toward potential capital gains tax. The withholding tax rates are as follows: 7.5% for individuals, 10% for companies, 15% for trusts. Now, this amount is withheld by the conveyancer or the lawyer and paid directly over to SARS. Once your full tax assessment is completed, any excess may be refunded. But the process can often feel complex if you're unfamiliar with it. Capital gains tax applies to both residents and non-residents on South African property. No difference. It is not unique to foreign sellers. Understand that. However, compliance requirements and withholding mechanisms may make it feel more administrative for non-residents. Other considerations foreign buyers should understand: exchange control regulations, repatriation of funds, Reserve Bank approvals where applicable, transfer duty, and estate planning implications. Now, the most important advice I can give to foreign buyers is this: do not rely on assumptions. Work with, number one, a knowledgeable property practitioner. Number two, an experienced lawyer or conveyancer. And number three, a tax professional that is familiar with cross-border matters. South Africa remains one of the most accessible property markets globally for foreign investors, but clarity up front prevents stress later. If you are a foreign national considering buying or selling property in South Africa, seek proper advice before signing, because informed decisions protect your investment.